Kylie. Yay!
I like that when it goes for a while.
Yes.
Okay, fun's over.
Ben.
What?
Here, light this one. Or Anthony, somebody.
I'll do it.
I'll do it. I'm right here.
Ooh, yeah, light that one, honey.
You don't trust the bottle rocket?
No, not when Ben plays with it.
You only have to worry if I do this. Yeah, and then you don't have a pair of firecrackers.
Here, son.
I'm good.
No lighter.
See what this one does.
Same thing the other one did.
Oh, okay.
You dick.
Oh.
What is that?
Ooh. I like that one.
That's a good one.
That was nice.
What's wrong, Mom? Asthma attack?
Yep.
Light a couple more, son.
Oh, shit! Little bastard, little fuse.
You know what, Ben? The bad part about that was caught on tape. So that's going on MySpace.
Oh!
Is that all for now?
Right, a couple more.
Alright. Hey, tell me, is there a mark on my hand?
I don't want to see your butt.
Oh! Ow!
You're making good video for MySpace and YouTube.
Bastard! I want to light one too. You do a little one, I'll do a big one.
No.
Yes!
I need that too. You did that on mine?
No, that's yours.
No, I'm saying, where'd you get that one out of?
This one?
Okay, you need to use that mortar tube that was right behind you.
That one. Yes, dump all the sticks out of it.
And Ben, use a lighter.
Now, hold on a second.
Watch out. Watch out. Hey, watch out. Right.
I think this one goes in the air.
Just go, Ben. Fuck it.
Watch, Kylie.
Hell no.
Watch.
Oh, wait.
Watch.
My turn!
Move that damn thing down that way. If you're underneath the tree, you can't see him.
Watch up. Watch up. Look at the big guy.
Wow.
Tree. Tree.
That's funny, that's going to be a YouTube.
Woo!
It stings! You bastard!
That's good.
Where'd that one coming from?
Alright. Give me Big Bertha. I want to do one of these. You did the last one. Yes, you did.
I want to do it. Yes, it is.
Not to do.
This is a very bad idea. I should warn you people not to do this in advance, but I don't read the instructions on the box.
Yep.
Just like the damn thing.
Fuck off. Ow! Shit! Ow! Damn it, I can't do it. Oh, fuck.
Oh! Damn!
Perfect. Tell me you got that.
Yes, I did!
Yes!
Go see if you can find some more, Ben. Ben, there's probably tons back there, and grab my cigarette.
Oh!
Did you hear me?
That was... Alright, go.
Some people in this world are just fucking bastards. Not mentioning any names. Ow!
Oh, damn. Whoa!
Shit! Ow! You fucking